Good morning, students. In today's video, we are doing quadrilaterals. Okay. Now, this is the last chapter in your part 1. Now, what is a quadrilateral? Now, the moment when you see quadrilateral, quadra means 4 and lateral means sides. So that means any polygon having 4 sides is called as quadrilateral. So I can tell this is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now in this I have AB, BC, CD and AD. 4 sides. Similarly, vertices 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertices 4. Angles 4. So in general, how can I define a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is nothing but a closed polygon having 4 sides, and it also has 4 vertices, and it also has 4 angles. Now there are different types of quadrilaterals. There are different types of quadrilateral. The first one I can tell it as square. Second one rectangle. Third one parallelogram. Fourth one trapezium. Fifth one kite. Sixth one rhombus. Okay, these are the classification of quadrilateral. Now why are these classified? Because all these have different kinds of properties. Now for example, if I start with a square, now in square, I have all sides equal, 4 sides equal, and also I have 4 angles equal to 90. Now I don't see this one in any other quadrilateral. Let's get into the next one, rectangle. Now in rectangle, I have 4 angles equal to 90 degree. But in this case, only the opposite sides are equal. This side equal to this side equal to this. Similarly, if I go to the parallelogram, A, B, C, D. Now in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, correct? But 4 angles are not equal to 90 degree. Opposite angles are equal. This is parallelogram. All these are the brief properties. Okay, now next, if I go to rhombus. Now in this, all sides equal as we have it square. However, I don't have all these 90 degrees. This is rhombus. Now if I go to kite, this is kite. Now in this, the adjacent sides are equal in this case, and the opposite angles are not equal. Now these are the classification of quadrilateral. Now what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a 4-sided closed polygon having 4 vertices, 4 angles and 4 sides. Classifications of quadrilateral. We are starting with square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, kite are the 6 different types of quadrilateral. Now as we know, angle sum property of a triangle, that means when I add all the angles of the property, I get 180 degree. Similarly, how do we find for the quadrilateral? Let's see. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Okay, how do we find the sum of the angles in interior of the quadrilateral is how much? Let's take a quadrilateral, and we are not telling it's a rectangle or a square, it's a general quadrilateral. Let's make it as A, B, C, D. These are the 4 vertices, and I can also tell these are the angles. Now what do I have to do? We have to find what is the sum of angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is how much? Let's do one thing. We already know that sum of the angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Can we make a quadrilateral into a triangle? See, I have one triangle here, 2 triangles here. Take these 2 triangles, add both. So it will be equal to 1 quadrilateral. So what do we do is solution. In triangle, now let's make this as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. Then in triangle, this triangle I am talking about. In triangle ABC, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. Angle sum property. Similarly, 4, 5 and 6. Angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is 180 degree. In which triangle is ABC? ABC. Again, angle sum property. Adding both, add both the equations, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 plus 180 360. Now angle 1 is nothing but angle B. Now angle 2 plus 6 is angle C. That means if I add these 2, I should get angle C. Similarly, 5 is angle B. 3 and 4 is angle B. 360. Same thing, right? This one and this one. So sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Now, in this video, we started with the quadrilateral. Okay, understanding what exactly the quadrilateral is, classification of quadrilateral, and then angle sum property of a quadrilateral. In the next video, we will do some problem, some theorems based on the quadrilateral. If you have any doubts, any confusions in this topic, you can always ask me in the interactive session. Thank you, students. Have a good day.